All right, let's just jump right in. For what, 20 years, we've all been playing the same SEO game. But you know what? In just the last couple of years, AI has come along and just completely flipped the board over. Seriously, everything that worked back in 2024, that's now a recipe for being totally invisible online. So today, we're going to break down the brand new playbook for this AI first web. So, I've got to ask you, straight up, is your website ready? I mean, your content, your whole strategy, is it actually built for this new world? Because this isn't some far-off future thing. The change isn't coming. It's already here, and it's rewriting the rules for how anyone finds anything online, like right now. And listen, I'm not exaggerating one bit. That old, comfortable world of just trying to rank on a list of 10 blue links, it's gone. Poof. The entire foundation of what we've all called SEO for decades has basically crumbled, and something completely new is being built in its place. So first, let's just get a handle on how massive this shift really is. I'm calling it the AI searchquake, and for good reason. It has totally and permanently changed the entire landscape of how we find information. And this really sums it all up, right? The change looks so simple on the surface, but wow, the implications are huge. I mean, just a couple years ago, what was success? It was climbing that list of links. Your whole strategy was just get your link higher than the other guys. But now, that list is often just gone. Instead, you get a direct answer generated by an AI. So the game isn't about being on the list anymore. It's about being the source for that AI answer. And yeah, you guessed it, this new game has a new name. Answer Engine Optimization, AEO. And this isn't just another buzzword to learn. No. It's a total shift in how you need to think. It's the art of making your content so darn clear, so authoritative, and so perfectly structured that those AI models, they've got no other choice but to point to you and say that's the source of truth. Okay, so if the whole game has changed, what are the new rules of engagement? Let's break down the big strategic shifts you absolutely have to make, like starting today. Now, this table right here, this is pretty much the core of it all. Just look at these changes. Removing from just obsessing over keywords to really owning a topic. We're going from writing those super long, fluffy articles to just giving a straight, concise answer, but one that's backed up by real human experience. On the technical side, it's less about old speed metrics and way more about pure responsiveness. And off-page, oh man, forget just collecting a bunch of backlinks. It's all about real brand mentions, digital PR, even conversations on places like Reddit. The bottom line is this. The goal isn't ranking number one anymore. The new number one is being the cited source. And what's holding all of this up? It's a concept called EEAT. Now, you've probably heard of it, but that first E, for experience, that's suddenly the most important letter in the whole thing. It's basically how Google's AI checks to see if your content is just a rehash of facts or if it's coming from a real human who has actually done the thing they're writing about. And this quote just nails why that's so critical. Think about it. An AI can read every article ever written about running a marathon. It can give you all the facts, but it can't tell you what it actually feels like to hit the wall at mile 20. It can't describe that specific ache from a new pair of running shoes. That is your secret weapon, that firsthand human experience. That is your competitive advantage. It's the one thing that AI simply can't fake. All right, so that's the what and the why. Now let's get into the how. This is your practical playbook. What do you actually need to do to your content to start winning in this new world? First things first, and this is a big one. It's called the BLUF method. That stands for bottom line upfront. It means before you do anything else, before the backstory, before the deep dive, you start your article with the answer. A super direct 20 to 40 word summary that an AI can just scoop right up. It's basically AI bait. You're feeding the machine exactly what it wants, making it a no-brainer for it to cite you as the source. Okay, step 2. You've got to sprinkle in those experience signals we were just talking about. This is so important. We're talking about using phrases that prove you've been there, done that, like in our testing or when we tried this. It also means you have to ditch the cheesy stock photos and use your own original pictures or screenshots. And this is critical. Every single article has to have a real author with a real detailed bio. I'm telling you, posting an article written by admin is an absolute SEO death sentence now. All right, want to see how this all works in the real world? Let's look at a case study. Let's talk about the undisputed and kind of surprising king of this new AI-first web. And who is it? It's Wikipedia. I mean, think about it. Every time you ask an AI a basic question, the odds are incredibly high that its answer came straight from a Wikipedia article. They have, without even trying, mastered answer engine optimization, and we can learn a ton by watching what they do. Just take a look at their opening sentence for the article on AI. It's the perfect, and I mean perfect, example of that BLUF method. It's short, it's factual, it's under 40 words. It is the ideal AI-ready definition. It's exactly what a language model is designed to find and present as fact. And they do this for millions and millions of topics. So yeah, Wikipedia's strengths are obvious, right? They target entities, not just keywords. They build these massive topic clusters. Their site is blazing fast, and their formatting is perfect for AI. But, and this is a big but, it has one giant, glaring weakness. It's actually baked into their rules. They forbid personal opinions and reviews. They have a massive experience gap. And that, right there, that is your opening. Here's the key takeaway. You're not going to beat Wikipedia on facts, so don't even try. But you can 100% beat them on perspective. You can provide the hands-on experience, the personal stories, the real-world reviews that their platforms simply won't allow. That's where you fight. That's your battlefield. Okay, which brings us to the final piece of the puzzle. This is probably the most important mindset shift of all. Your role in this whole digital world has fundamentally changed. You've got a new mission now. You have to stop thinking like you just own a website and you're trying to get clicks. That's old news. You need to start thinking like you're a publisher of truth. Your job is to put out clear, structured, reliable information that serves both humans and the AI that's learning from us. Because when you boil it all down, that's what this is now. Every single piece of content you create, every bit of structured data you use, every real photo you take, it's all part of a curriculum. Your job, your new job, is to train the AI, to teach it about your area of expertise and show it why you're the best, most credible source out there. So I'll leave you with this one last question to chew on. Take a hard look at your own website right now, your own content. Is it actually training the AI to see you as an authority? Is it clear, structured, and packed with genuine experience? Or is it accidentally training the AI to just ignore you completely?